Hello, today we are looking at a retake for our Unit 1C test. So this was the first learning target. I can multiply and divide expressions with exponents. We're going to take it down to the basics today. Once you're done with this video, these 5 questions, then ask me for a colored piece of paper and you will have 5 questions to do for your retake. So it says simplify. We are not plugging anything in a calculator. We are writing our answer using exponents. So this first one we have b to the power of 2 times b to the power of 5. They're all in one row here. It's all multiplication. We have b multiplied 2 times, and then b multiplied 5 more times. You can put the dot between them to know that it's multiplied. Total, how many b's did we multiply? Well, 2 plus the 5 more that we multiplied gave us a total of 7. So all we did was add our exponents, 2 plus 5, to give us the 7 total. Next, we learned dividing with exponents. If we have 8 k's on the top, we could write kh times, and k 5 times on the bottom. And if we have the same number or letter, like if they're both 2's, we can eliminate them, or both x's, we can eliminate them because 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 goes into 2 one time. X would go into x one time. It has to be the same number on the top and the bottom in order to make it eliminate. So this is k times k times k times k. Those eliminate and leave us with how many left over? There are 3 k's left over. They're on the top, so we have k to the power of 3 on the top. There's nothing left in the denominator in the bottom. If we divide by 1, it doesn't change our answer, just like the number 4. If I divide it by 1, it's still 4. So we still just have k to the power of 3. All we really did with our exponents was took 8 and subtracted 5, because 5 of them are going to go away. We had 3 left over on the top, up here. Next, we have 5 to the power of 6 and 5 to the power of 11. Again, if you want to write it all out, we can. We are not actually multiplying, we're just simplifying. So if we want to write out 5 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5 11 times, it's a lot more to do it 11 times. Oopsies. What did I do? Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put one more over here. How many are going to cancel out? Well, there were less on the top, so 6 on the top are going to eliminate and leave us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5's left over, but they were all in the denominator. So we have 5 5's in the bottom. We had 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 on the top. This is our answer. So really, we did do 11 minus 6, but there were extras on the bottom, so they stay in the denominator. Next, we have p to the third. If you need to put the dot there to know they're touching, it's multiplied, d to the fourth, and then again multiplied by p to the third, and d to the fifth. All we're doing is counting up how many p's do we have, how many d's do we have. So our p's are there highlighted in the same color, and same with the letter D. So this was really p 3 times, and this was also p 3 multiplied 3 times. So we had p multiplied 6 times. It's all multiplication. And then we multiplied D 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally we would put them all in a row here. So if you want to, oops, whoa, didn't mean to move that. Let's go back here. Oh, for some reason it's not going to let me move them. But we would put all of these in one nice row. However, we have 4 here and 5 more. We're really adding our exponents. We have d to the power of 9. So this would be our best answer. If you wrote them all out in one big line, we have p, 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 d, d, e, e, and so on. and it's all multiplied. And then all of these over here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little sloppy, but you get the idea. We're just counting up all of our P's and then all of our D's. Last question. It says 5 to the power of 6 times x to the power of 5, 5 to the power of 11, and x to the power of 2. If we have the same number in the top and the bottom, we can eliminate those. So just like we had back up here, we had the same number, so we can eliminate. We have 11 5s on the bottom and 6 on the top. So I know there's going to be more 5s in the denominator. 6 of them are going to go away. 11 take away 6 would give us 5. So we have 5 5s on the bottom. That's this problem that we actually did up here. And then our x's. We have x to the power of 5 over x to the power of 2. Well, think, where are there more x's? They're going to be more on the top, so I know there's x's on the top. So we have x to the power of 5 and x to the power of 2. Really, 2 are going to go away and leave us with 3 left over. So that would be our best answer. If you have questions about this, please let me know. Otherwise, if you're ready to do your retake, go up and ask for a piece of paper. Good luck.